like that. Say hi, Ken.
Hi, I'm the tool boy.
Alright guys, today we got a Gravely ZT60 HD. Guess it's supposed to be a heavy duty model. We got the drive motor on the left hand side is leaking. We don't know what it is right now. We'll get it up on some jack stands to get underneath there and look. There's only a few openings on this thing: the input shaft, the axle shaft, a little pump thing underneath, a charge pump I think it's called. That's about the only places they can leak from. But we'll get her up and get the tire off and stuff, and bring you guys back when we figure out where it's leaking from. Alright, this is the oil leak we got going on this Gravely. I can't really, I'm going to have to get up underneath here a little better and see where it's actually coming from, but whole bottom of this side of the transmission drive side, it's wet. I hope it's not the case leaking, but if it is, it should be a fairly easy fix. But get this cleaned off and we'll bring you back. Alright guys, this is that hydrostatic drive on the Gravely. This whole bottom's all wet and it's dripping. I'm going to get it blowed off and see where it's leaking from. Hopefully it's an easy fix here. It looks like it might be just this case leaking on this side, which I won't have to pull the drive unit out to get to. Just take the bolts out and put some silicone on it and put it back together. But we'll get it all blowed off and bring you back when we actually find the leak. Alright guys, found the leak. It's come from around this little plate here. I don't know what that is exactly, but I think it's a relief valve of some sort. But we had it started up and running, and I was watching it, and that's where the drips were forming from, right around that thing right there. So we'll get her pulled off and get her sealed up. Alright guys, we got all the new parts here for the pump, charge pump, and you can see they've actually upgraded it. This is a cast iron piece, machined out, and this here's a cast aluminum, but it comes with it's an upgrade kit. So if you put this part number for this piece in, it comes back to this. Has a new rotor and pump and everything, new screws, the whole 9 yards. Comes with a new O-ring, everything. So let's get underneath there and get it cleaned up and get this thing thrown on there. Alright, we're underneath the unit here. We're going to put the new O-ring in. Get that up in there. And hopefully we can get the new pump put up in there. And there's a certain way it goes in. There's a flat spot on the one side of the unit here, and on this one it happens to go to the inbound side. So I'm gonna try to get it up in there and get the gear started up on there. And I'll hold my tongue right or something. Oh, there it went, right there. We got that. Got a couple new screws to put in there. If you guys can still see her or not, but alright, it'll stay up in there. Get the other screw out of the bag. Oh, sorry about that. Kind of banged the camera there a little bit on you. You guys are getting a little bit of glare. There you go. You can see a little better now. Alright. Got them all started. The O-ring's still in place. And these two screws get torqued to 100, then 130 inch-pounds. I'll grab my torque wrench and we'll get them torqued. We'll bring you back when we're doing that. Alright, y'all made my brother be the guinea pig. It's a beast. It is a beast. Alright guys, we let all the air out of the system and refilled the reservoir, and I'll check now and see if we got any leaks down in here. Well, I don't see anything leaking there, so I'm going to double check my torque spec on here just to double check, and yep. I probably will go back after the guy runs it for a little while and either have him double check that or I'll double check it and just make sure it hasn't loosened up or seated in or anything. But overall, fairly simple job placing this charge pump on these. This is a Hydro Gear 3100 series. Pretty straightforward. Couple bolts, drop it out, buy the new kit for about 65-70 bucks, and toss her up in there. So thank you all for watching, and like what you see, hit that subscribe button, click the like, thumbs up, and you'll catch some more videos. And don't forget, every Sunday night, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, go live. We chat about everything. So stop in and say hi, and we'll catch you all on the next one.